What's going on, guys? Welcome to Wheel Swap Wednesday. Today we're going to be working on a few cars. The first one is going to be this Porsche. I had done this rim swap a while ago and it looks really good, but I feel like some different rims would look better, some Porsche style rims. This red edition Cadillac from Target. This Impala SS. And this pink Hellcat. So let's go ahead and get started. So here's the white Porsche with the blue accents and blue rims. I feel like that's a good color combo, white and blue. So here's the Cadillac Seville Slantback. I really do like how this came out. It almost looks like the rims that came on it, but of course these are real riders. And here is the SS Impala with the 20-inch blades. I think it came out really nice. I like it. Houston swagger there. Here is the pink Hellcat with the rims from AC Custom. Now, I did leave the Cadillac Escalade on bricks, but I feel like these rims do look a lot better on this pink Hellcat.